sometimes while we are working with programming, we may get some errors. The common error is a segmentation fault in C and C++. The core dump segmentation fault. A specific kind of error caused by accessing memory that does not belong to you. What are the common reasons for segmentation faults in C, C++? If you are trying to access an array out of bounds, dereferencing null pointers, dereferencing memory which is freed, dereferencing uninitialized pointers, incorrect use of AND address operator or dereferencing operator, improper formatting specifiers in either printf and scanf statements. We'll see some example programs here. Look at the first program. A string which is declared. Look at the statement str is equal to g of g within double quotations. So a string is initialized. It's a read-only part of data segment. And what you are doing here, str plus 1 is equal to n. You are trying to modify the read-only memory, which causes you a segmentation fault error. Look at this program. Memory is allocated to a pointer variable p, and p is assigned with the value 100, and we used free here, free within brackets p. What happens here? It's deallocation. The memory, which is the space which is allocated to p, is deallocated. Now look at the assignment statement. Star p is equal to 110. As this statement is illegal because the memory space which is allocated to p is already deallocated, and now you are trying to assign a value to the pointer variable, and this causes an error. Look at this code segment. An array variable ARR is declared with size 2, and look at the statement ARR of 3 is equal to 10. We declared an array with array size 2 only, but you are trying to assign a value to the fourth position. ARR of 3 is position number 4. So you are accessing out of bounds. And look at this. We have a scanf statement with %d, but what is missing in that? Ampersand symbol. The address operator is missing, and it's supposed to be and we have only n. So in this program, a pointer variable is declared as integer int star p, and you are trying to print it, and this pointer variable is not initialized. So a segmentation fault when uninitialized pointer variable is accessed. So whenever there is troubleshooting in segmentation violations or segmentation faults, you need to check all the statements. Improper use of pointers. Are you accessing anything out of bounds of an array? Or do we have any problem in the scanf statement? Or is there any failure to initialize a pointer before accessing it? So we need to check all these things to avoid segmentation fault.